Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to the heart of South Korea's bustling coastal gem Busan. Nestled between the breathtaking ocean waves and picturesque mountains, this vibrant city is a treasure trove of hidden delights just waiting to be discovered. Are you itching to explore ancient temples that whisper the stories of centuries past? Or perhaps you crave the invigorating scent of salty sea air as you wander along golden sun-kissed beaches? From jaw-dropping cityscapes to serene natural wonders, Busan has it all. So buckle up, grab your map, and get ready to experience the incredible sights and sounds of Busan. Number 10. Discover Busan's beauty with Songdo cable car. Soaring high above the vibrant cityscape of Busan, the Songdo cable car offers an enchanting adventure for both young and old. Step into the sleek cabins and prepare for a breathtaking journey through the clouds. As the cable car glides effortlessly through the sky, anticipation builds for the wonders that await on the other side. Kids' eyes light up with excitement as they disembark, greeted by a playground of endless delights. From the thrilling Dino Park to the mesmerizing Songdo Suspension Bridge, there's no shortage of thrills and exploration. For those seeking tranquility, the lush Forest Park and Amnam Park beckon with their natural splendor. Choose your car style, pay the modest fare, and let your imagination take flight on this unforgettable aerial escapade. Number 9. Explore the vibrant buzz of BIFF Square. Step into the vibrant world of BIFF Square, where the magic of cinema comes alive amidst the bustling streets of Busan. Once a humble pair of cinemas, this iconic movie district has undergone a remarkable transformation over the past half-century. Now it stands as a testament to Korea's film industry, beckoning visitors from around the globe. Stroll along the 428-meter-long street, divided into the enchanting realms of Star Street and Festival Street. Feel the excitement in the air as the annual BIFF Square grand opening sets the stage for handprints of legendary movie stars and the ethereal glow of Jeomdaeung. Explore this rare gem, where theaters, shops, and leisure facilities harmoniously coexist, creating an irresistible magnet for the young and adventurous. Number 8. Experience breathtaking views at Oryukdo Skywalk. Prepare to step into the realm of awe and wonder at the mesmerizing Oryukdo Skywalk. For nature enthusiasts seeking the ultimate adventure, this glass platform suspended above the shimmering ocean is a dream come true. As you bravely tread upon the transparent floor, an exhilarating sense of thrill engulfs you, while the breathtaking coastal vistas unfold beneath your feet. It's a picture-perfect moment waiting to be captured for your Instagram feed, a snapshot of pure adventure. Though it may be a lesser-known gem tucked away from the bustling crowds, the Oryukdo Skywalk promises an unforgettable experience that will ignite your sense of curiosity and leave you in awe of nature's magnificence. Number 7. Unleash your inner bookworm at Bosu Book Street. Step into a world where books reign supreme and the charm of literature thrives. This is Bosu Book Street. In an era dominated by technology, this street offers a rare and enchanting sight, a haven for book lovers and seekers of knowledge. As you wander through this literary paradise, you'll be mesmerized by the sheer abundance of books, stacked high and beckoning you to explore their treasures. From dictionaries to manga, magazines to study books, there's something for every avid reader. Immerse yourself in the nostalgia of secondhand books, their stories whispering through the pages. And when you're not lost in the world of words, indulge in delectable street food that tantalizes your taste buds. This is more than just a stroll. It's a journey through the written word, an ode to the power of literature that will leave you inspired and craving for more. Number 6. Wander through the quaint delights of Gamcheon Village. Welcome to the picturesque wonderland of Gamcheon Village, a hidden gem nestled in the hills of Busan. Steeped in rich history and culture, this historical village emerged during the tumultuous era of the Korean War in the 1950s. It served as a sanctuary for villagers seeking refuge from the ravages of war, their humble homes stacked upon each other, a testament to resilience and community. As you wander through the narrow alleys, you'll be captivated by the vibrant colors and captivating artworks that adorn every corner, breathing life into the quaint houses. It's a living canvas of charm and beauty. Explore the fascinating maze of streets, where each twist and turn reveals a hidden story waiting to be discovered. And when your appetite calls, don't forget to savor the traditional red bean soup, a culinary delight that will transport you back in time. Gamcheon Village is more than just a place to visit. It's a journey into the heart of South Korea's captivating past. Number 5. Immerse yourself in tranquility at Haedong Yonggungsa Temple. Nestled majestically along the rugged cliffside, Haedong Yonggungsa Temple stands as a breathtaking testament to tranquility in the heart of Busan. Often referred to as the Temple by the Sea, this gem is a rare marvel, as few temples in Korea grace the shoreline as this one does. The sheer beauty of its setting captivates visitors, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. It's no wonder that Haedong Yonggungsa Temple has become one of the must-visit attractions in Busan, rivaling even the enchanting Gamcheon village. Embark on a spiritual journey and bask in the harmonious blend of nature's splendor and ancient serenity. Number 4. Dive into the bustling energy of Jagalchi Market. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of Jagalchi Market, a bustling fish market that epitomizes the essence of Busan. Renowned as a seafood lover's paradise, this lively market is a feast for the senses. Get ready to unleash your bargaining skills as you explore the maze of stalls, brimming with an abundance of fresh catches. From succulent shrimp to tantalizing octopus, from delectable fish to savory crab and squid, the options are endless. Indulge in the freshest seafood you've ever tasted, whether it's tender octopus or exquisite sashimi. And if you're seeking culinary guidance, embark on a thrilling Jagalchi market food tour where expert guides unveil the hidden culinary gems. Number 3. Sun, Sand, and Splendor at Haeundae Beach. Welcome to the vibrant paradise of Haeundae Beach, a must-visit destination that epitomizes the essence of Busan. When it comes to things to do in this coastal city, Haeundae Beach is a shining star. With its picturesque shoreline and captivating bridge adorned with glowing lights, the beach offers a mesmerizing backdrop for relaxation and adventure. As the sun sets, the bridge illuminates with enchanting quotes and sayings, casting a magical aura over the beach. Don't miss the opportunity to sip on a refreshing drink at one of the beachfront bars, while enjoying breathtaking views of the sparkling sea. Just like California is to the United States, Haeundae Beach is a beacon of beauty and leisure in Busan. Number 2. Embark on a dazzling journey to Diamond Tower. Rising proudly at a height of around 120 meters, the Busan Tower, affectionately known as Diamond Tower, stands as a beacon of wonder within Yonggungsa Park. Embark on a journey to new heights as you ascend to the observation deck, where breathtaking panoramic views of Busan await. But before reaching this lofty destination, immerse yourself in a world of interactive experiences and captivating activities. Step into rooms adorned with art inspired by the changing seasons, where mesmerizing displays unfold before your eyes. Marvel at simulated fireworks bursting with vibrant colors. These small yet intricate details add an extra layer of magic to your visit, making the journey to the observatory deck all the more rewarding. Number 1. Hop on the Busan City Tour Bus. Embark on a budget-friendly adventure through Busan's top attractions by hopping on the city tour bus. This clever choice ensures you can explore the city's gems at your own pace while keeping your wallet in check. Whether you opt for the day or night tour, you're in for a treat. From the iconic Haeundae Beach to the picturesque Dongbaekseom Islands and the vibrant Gijang Market, the bus takes you on a scenic journey through Busan's renowned landmarks. Feel free to hop on and off the bus as you please, between 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. to fully immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of this captivating city. So sit back, relax, and let the city tour bus be your guide to an unforgettable Busan adventure. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.